Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today we're gonna take a look into this widgets, which is anyone's is asking on how to use a widget in KDE Linux desktop environment. So we are now in our KDE Plasma, which is, let me see, let me open my abouts first. So as you can see, this is Plasma 5.27.8 and it is running right here in my hardware, which is the Aspire 7. And my graphics or GPU AMD Radeon graphics, and at the same time I have the NVIDIA GeForce. I think I didn't install it yet. Let me go to my control center. Oh, there it is. Let's try to install that one first. So I haven't yet installed my GPU GeForce, but it's okay. It's all good because I'm running in Linux, so it has the open source and at the same time for the GPU driver. So I have both, and at the same time I'm using the kernel, the latest kernel, which is the, let me see what is my kernel right now. So it is running in kernel 6.1.55-1 Manjaro. Let me finish this one first before I proceed to the application, which is we gonna take a look into this widgets application in KDE Plasma. So finish and restart your computer to activate the latest driver. So it's okay. So everything is detected. Let's close this one. Close this one too. Later, I just gonna restart my computer later. But of course, we are now in our KDE Plasma widget application. So how do we add on? Because I have this one right here. I have the clock, but I have this also in my other desktop. So I have to right click and then look for the add widgets, and then when you click it, either you have this options already pre-installed, so it's up to you. If you want to have the quick log in log out, just put it in there, just click it, that one, and then you can edit mode it if you want to make it big. If you want to like a little bit like longer, so it's up to you. And then you can put it right here on the side, and at the same time you can also have this like log out, shutdown, reboot, lock, sleep, and then you have this one. So let me make it slim a little bit. So yes, so kind of cool, right? So that is how we add some of our widgets right here on our Linux in KDE Plasma desktop environment. So how about if we add a clock? So we have the analog, we have the binary clock, and at the same time we have the digital clock, and this one is a little bit like digital with some aesthetics on it. At the same time we have the fuzzy clock right here. We also have, let me see, where is the other one? Oh, there it is. We have also the modern clock. And do we have another clock right here? We have the timer at the same time. So let's just search right here, clock. So we have 6 clock right here. So either you could like search for it in the search button right here, and then just click to add what you prefer. So we have the binary, we have the let me move that everything right here. So as you can see, you have the digital right here. This is the analog. Let's remove that analog first. We also have the digital right here with the date. Let's close that one too. We have the binary at the same time. Let's close that one too. We also have the fuzzy. So as you can see, you could like change it into like the accuracy at the same time. The appearance, if you want to like the italize, the bold, or both. So it's up to you. Okay, so let's remove this one first. And of course, we also have this one. This is the modern clock, and this is the digital BE clock. So as you can see, we could like move it on the center like that. At the same time, we could like change it like let me see the behavior, how wish you were like the radius, if that's gonna be on the in the middle, or return back onto the outside. At the same time right here, yes, it's up to you if where you want to put it. So kind of cool, right? You can also add ons like the astronomical events and at the same time holidays and alternative clock. So that is the digital clock BE style. So yeah, I have this one. If you want to center it above, below, I just prefer the center. So let me remove that one, and then let's move on to this one. This is actually one of my best clock on this one. Let's remove this one too. So you can make it like where do you want to put it. So you can also change this one into your likings. Font color, if you want to have like an orange thing, you can do it like that. So it's colored orange. Date, if you want to change the date, like if you want to make it like a blue, something like that one. So it's blue. You can also remove it like that one. Even the time you can remove. So I prefer the date. If you don't want to be bothered with the clock, just the date and the day, so you can put it like that one. But at the same time, you can also change let me see, change the appearance of your date, which is either the day, month, year, or the month, day, year, whatever. It's up to you. So separator at the same time. If you want the time, let's bring back the time. So like that one. So the separator will be the style of dash. So the character, either you have the dash or the, let me see, how about the plus? No, that is not the plus. Okay, how about the plus? There you have it. How about the equals? Yeah, at the same time, minus or dash. So that is how you put that time. And at the same time, if you want to have the 24-hour like the military time, so you have that one too, the options. But let's just turn it off right now. So that is your settings for your modern clock on our widgets on Plasma KDE desktop environment. So you can move that one on the other side, right? So how about if you want to search for another new widgets, just go to the download and then just wait for it to download. So available has been updated to you guys, so you can scroll down right here. Oh wow, how about this one? Let me see. Ooh, martes, lunes, martes. Okay, español. Yes. We Filipinos also know how to speak in Spanish. So let's close that one. Let's go back to the widgets. So let's close and look for that one. Solo. Yes. Yeah. Kind of cool. How about change it? So change, just like the modern clock, you also have the options right here. So you can also check out this, like the 24-hour format. Let's not use the 24-hour format. Yes, there you have it. That's the time right now. You can also turn off the time, just the day and the date. So add again the time and date, the day, only the day. Yes, you can change the font at the same time, like 100 only. Yeah, there you have it. Kind of cool, right? So that is our Linux KDE Plasma desktop environment widget application. So you have all these options right here. So it's up to you if what you want. That is how our widgets work right here on KDE. How about, let me see about the battery application. Even the comic strip. Let's just turn on this comic strip. Get new comic strip. Let's look for new. So either you have this one, options. I like Garfield. I'm a cat person. Okay, let's go and look for that one. Garfield comic strip. And it is loading right now. So it updates you every either 2 days, 3 days. It's up to you if you want every day, every 30 minutes. Yep. Yeah. So you have this comic strip as your widget. So when you close all the widget in the edit mode, then you have this one. Cool, right? So that is how our widget works right here on KDE Plasma desktop environment. So if you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below as we ponder and continue to search for knowledge. That is why science is cool. This is Blair, your science teacher right here. And catch another episode of Linux App next time. And see you in the next episode. Ciao.